Casa Pampa, a creation of RMK Arquitetura, stands as a testament to the intricate interplay between southern and tropical influences. Nestled in Pelotas, Brazil, this architectural marvel responds to the unique challenges posed by the region's climate while embracing the spirit of the vast pampas. The building's form is a direct reflection of its environment, solid, grounded volumes of stone, concrete, and would serve as protective cocoons against the harsh winter months. Yet, the structure is not merely a defensive fortress. Expansive glass panes, shielded by corten steel and wooden balconies, invite the warmth of the sun during colder periods while providing much-needed shade in the summer. This duality is a poetic response to the region's climatic extremes, a delicate balance struck between the need for shelter and the desire for connection with the outdoors. The house is not merely a building, it is a mediator between human habitation and the natural world. Interior patios, reminiscent of the Pampa's expansive plains, weave through the living spaces, bringing the outside in. This architectural device fosters a sense of openness and tranquility, blurring the lines between indoors and out. The landscaping is a masterful stroke, reinforcing the house's connection to its surroundings. A curated selection of native flora, including fuchsia and queen's palms, pitana, cherry, and willow trees, paints a vivid picture of the pampas. The undergrowth, composed of lilies, goras, pampas grass, and fire thorns, adds a touch of wild beauty. The inclusion of straw cane seedlings evokes the image of lowland reeds, further strengthening the house's identity as a child of the pampas. Expansive grassy areas and the monolithic strip of burnt cement complete the picture, creating a minimalist yet impactful backdrop for the architectural and botanical elements. Casa Pampa is more than just a house, it is a philosophical statement. The architects have successfully captured the essence of the pampas, translating its vastness, its resilience, and its beauty into a tangible form. It is a building that listens to the land, that respects its history and its climate, and that offers its inhabitants a harmonious coexistence with nature. In conclusion, Casa Pampa is a remarkable achievement in architectural design. It is a building that not only provides shelter but also enriches the human experience. By creating a dialogue between the southern and tropical cultures, the architects have produced a work of art that is both functional and inspiring. It is a house that celebrates the Pampas, a testament to the power of architecture to shape and enhance our relationship with the natural world. Casa Pampa is a stunning example of architecture harmonizing with nature. RMK Arquitetura has masterfully captured the spirit of the Pampas, creating a home that is both a sanctuary and a celebration of its surroundings. If you've been inspired by this architectural gem, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And for more incredible homes and design inspiration, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.